This is Daniel Gindy from Greenpower Global Technology. I just want to show you a solar generator we have for sale. It's a Wagon Tech ePower Case 450. Basically, it's a nice little unit. It has a case that you can walk around with, carry it. Also, I'll show you that it has a strap as well. The case includes a 26 amp hour deep cycle AGM battery. Also has a 450 watt AC/DC inverter, and it comes with two 20 watt panels, solar PD panels. And basically the case is very compact, and you keep it in your closet or whatnot, but they do recommend that you keep it plugged in to keep the battery charged when you're not using it. Basically, you have some clamp down here on both sides that holds the panel to the case. So you undo the clamps on this side, undo the clamps on that side, and then voila, you have the panel. The two panels are in here. I'll show you that in a second. And here's the case with the inverter. The inverter and the battery are inside here. You have USB outlets here. This is plugs for additional. You can add an additional battery on here, external battery if you wish. And these plugs are for the plugs that go for the solar panels here. And you also have a voltmeter here that tells you the volts of your battery. You have a little storage compartment that you can store all your cables and things of that nature. And then you have two 120 outlets for the inverter. And this is the inverter switch, and you have one DC outlet. And when you charge this on AC, I'll show you in a second, there's a DC plug that goes into here, and then the AC plug plugs into your electrical outlet and keeps the thing charged. It also comes with a DC to DC plug, so you can put a DC plug in here and then take the DC plug and plug it in your car, and it'll also charge this up as well. As far as the panel is concerned, basically there's a latch here that you pull up, and then you got your two 20 watt panels. Okay, see your two 20 watt panels, and then there's a plug right here that you plug into the back of the unit, right into this, and that'll charge the panels. And let me get that real quick and I'll show you. Put this down here. Here's the cable that you use to plug solar panel into the inverter, or into the power pack. So you plug it in here. That's a barrel connector that you plug in there. Then you take the red lead and the black lead. You plug the red lead into the positive there, and you plug the black lead into the positive there. So now you're outside, you put it outside, and the panel should charge the 26 amp hour battery while you're out in the sun. This unit can power, small AC devices, or tablets, phones, things of that nature. Here, I'll show you in a second. put this back into it. Now when you're ready to put this back, I'll put this in a little handy storage compartment here. Plug for the panel. Also, you have, I was talking before, this is the DC to DC plug. That you, on the other side, you plug this into the one end, you plug this into your serial ladder, your power port in your car, and you can charge it as well. It also comes with a handy strap that you put right here on this part here, and it straps around the side and you can carry it over your shoulder. And then there's also comes with 2 keys for the lock. The lock right here, this locks, and inside here is the inverter, the controller, the charge controller, and the battery. And if you need to get to it or anything like that, you use these keys to open it up. And let me put this back in here and run some devices so you can see. And then you just take this and you want to put it back together again. You put this back on here. Let me show you how to stand. Put it back on top of here. I got backwards. On top of here like so. Everything lines up. Then you put the latches on, clamp down latches. Clamp down latches, and there you go. And you got the case again. Okay. Now, power this sucker on. Here's the on switch for the inverter. Now it's green. If there's not enough juice in the battery, the red will come on. It also has a low battery disconnect where if the battery's too low, you hear it beep, and then you can't run anything off of it. This is the voltmeter. You push this down, you hold it for 3 seconds, and it tells me I have my battery's at 12.7 volts side. Now I'm going to take, here's just a regular old fan to show you what it can power. Plug in the fan into 110 outlet. There goes the fan. Now see it's running the fan. And it'll run other devices as well. You see it's running the fan. Now I'll turn the fan off. And then you can also charge USB. You have 2 USB ports here. So let me get a tablet. Here I have a tablet. And we'll plug this in the USB. And that's plugged in the USB. And plug that here. See? You can see right now, see it's charging the battery in the tablet. It's going, showing me that the battery's being charged. You know, and it'll also, you know, you could do the same thing and charge your cell phones. Probably could, you know, charge a laptop computer as well. And you probably could run a printer, but, you know, the website tells you how many, what devices it can run. And that's basically about it. If you have any questions, either email us at greencleanpower@solarpath.com, or you can call us at 305-665-4212. Thank you.